Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your Wix website. If your site feels sluggish or takes too long to load, these adjustments can make a real difference in performance and user experience. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from there, click on Website. This takes you to the main settings area where you can manage your site's configuration. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to speed up. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Now, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, so it should be easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. There are three main ways to speed up your website, and we'll walk through each one step by step. First, let's head to the Site Design menu located on the left navigation panel and click on it. The menu will expand, and from here, click on Page Transitions. Simply choose None or disable the page transition. This speeds up your website by disabling the transition effect that can slow down page loads. It's a small change, but it can make a noticeable difference. Now for the second way, locate the Pages and Menu section. We'll individually disable control caching for every page. To do that, simply hover your cursor over a page and click the three-dot icon, also known as the More Actions button. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Under the Page Info section, click on Advanced Settings and toggle the Manually Control Caching for this page option and turn it on. This gives you more control over how each page is cached, which can improve load times. You'll need to do this for each page individually, so take your time and go through them one by one. Now for the third way, this is somewhat general, but it's very effective. What we'll do is disable animations on elements. Simply locate any elements that possess any animation and click on it to select it. You'll see an Animation and Effects menu. Click on it, and from here, simply disable and choose None. Animations can look great, but they can also slow down your site, especially if you have multiple animated elements on one page. By removing unnecessary animations, you're helping your site load faster and run smoother. These three steps will significantly help load your website faster. Your visitors will notice the difference, and a faster site also helps with search engine rankings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.